With constancy of developing, testing, and improving, OscarMax hereby launch the latest sinker EDM in a combination of strong, rigid machine body, EtherCAD ultra-fast communication system, and user-friendly interface brings extraordinary performance. Prompt response between driver and servo motor to achieve precise positioning. Stable current output to achieve better accuracy and roughness. With self-designed user interface running on Windows 10 platform. Through API, eligible to process CAM software output, brings the prep time and possible human error to minimum. Eco Standby Mode, equipped by a motion sensor for power saving. Interface with graphic 3D icons and conversational program guide for faster and easier operation, with 2 touchscreens designed for better ergonomics. All series are designed by parametric software ePlan, Creo, etc. to integrate with the production team and satisfy our customers' requirements. Ready to link automation, connect with central control system to create automatic production line. Through API system, it can be easily complied to other platforms as well. By enhancing our research and development team, we aim to continue improving our EDM to meet your requirements. And we believe that together we bring the industry to a new generation.